This Gotham steel air fryer basket for convection oven is a great tool. It helps you make crispy food in your oven. You can enjoy that air-fried crunch without extra oil. This basket and tray set is like a superhero for your cooking. It fights against soggy bottoms and uneven cooking. People who love crispy fries or chicken wings will find it useful. The Gotham steel air fryer basket has a smart design. The basket sits above a tray. This lets hot air flow all around your food. It's like giving your food a 360-degree spa treatment of heat. The non-stick surface is a beauty. Food doesn't stick, and cleaning is easy. You won't face a food disaster stuck to the bottom. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so care is simple. This set makes cooking feel less like a chore and more like a holiday. This Gotham steel air fryer basket is also good for baking. Imagine crispy pizza or perfectly roasted vegetables. The large size, 16.5 by 12.5, means you can cook more at once. This is great for families or when you have guests. It's a simple way to get that lovely crispy texture we all enjoy. So, forget complicated gadgets. This basket brings air frying magic right to your oven. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. And many uses await. Pros: air frying, convection oven use 2-piece set, non-stick surface, copper material, crisper. Tray, great for baking, crispy foods, dishwasher safe, XXL size, large capacity, easy to clean. Cons: longer cook time, uneven cooking, difficult to clean, food sticks sometimes, not very durable. Basket doesn't sit well, handles get in the way, takes up oven space. Features: air fryer basket, convection oven 2-piece set, non-stick surface, copper color, crisper tray. Great for baking, crispy foods, dishwasher safe, XXL size. This Gotham steel set has 2 pieces, a basket and a tray. You can use it in your oven to cook food until it's crispy, like an air fryer. The copper color and non-stick surface make cooking and cleaning easy. It's also safe to wash in the dishwasher. The XXL size is big, about 16.5 inches by 12.5 inches. So you can cook a lot of food at once. You can even use it for baking. This XXL Gotham steel air fryer basket set has 2 non-stick copper pieces, a basket and a tray, for making crispy food in your convection oven. And it can also be used for baking. It's designed to be dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Though some users have noted that food can sometimes stick and it might take a little longer to cook things evenly. The large size can be helpful, but it also means it takes up more space in the oven. And some find the basket doesn't sit perfectly or the handles get in the way. Plus, it might not be very durable.